Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to resize in Canva. Let's go. Now I'm in the home page of Canva, so I'm gonna choose a recent design of my this one, website product homepage. Okay, for example, you need to resize this design to for example Facebook post, and how to do it. So please look at this function, RESIZE, right here, and click, and you can see resize your design, and you can type something like Facebook. Okay, we have wide varieties of options, such as Facebook ad, Facebook cover, okay, Facebook post. If you choose this one, please click and press the button resize. And now we already have the size of the Facebook post, so you should scale your design to fit into the frame and reposition the icon or the text that from the previous frame, the previous size. Okay, so now we already resize the previous design, just like the frame of the story to a Facebook post frame or size. Thanks for watching. Please click the button subscribe, or if you like this video, hit the button like right below this video. See you later.